Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, which has confirmed as true Galaxy Note replacement. In other hands, the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 would have been one of the most high-profile phones of the year, but in a surprising move Samsung cancelled it, leaving Note fans with just the Samsung Galaxy S21 range and foldable phones instead if they wanted a new high-end handset. So the big question now is, will there be a Samsung Galaxy Note 22 series still going to happen? Well, there is a conclusive answer to that. Galaxy Note 22 series has been cancelled. Assuming the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 launches, and that's a big if, it will probably hope to do so in August of 2022, it will probably be announced in the first half of the month and go on sale in the second half, as that's Samsung's typical pattern for the range, but as it stands now that wouldn't be happening anymore. However, it's currently clear whether there will even be a Samsung Galaxy Note 22, given that the Galaxy Note 21 isn't happening. Samsung is not renewing the Galaxy Note trademark while it renewed those for the Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, Galaxy M and Galaxy A series, and with at least one source flat out saying there won't be any more Samsung Galaxy Note phones. Or at least, there apparently won't be any more of them in the form we've come to expect, though this source claims that Samsung internally thinks of the Galaxy Z Fold range as the Note Z, so it's possible a future foldable will have Note branding or Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra will take over Note series completely. So it is certain that we've similarly heard that the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra could instead launch as the Samsung Galaxy Note 22 Ultra. All that said, not renewing a trademark right now doesn't mean Samsung won't in future, and the company itself has previously said that it's expected that the Samsung Galaxy Note range will continue in 2022, but not knowing it will come in another version as S-Line. But even more recently a source has claimed that there's no new Note models, which has been confirmed in Samsung's 2022 product roadmap. So the Galaxy S22 will likely take over if there is no change before the launch, with Samsung adding S Pen support to the Galaxy S and Galaxy Fold ranges, and with the S22 Ultra rumored to even have an S Pen slot, the Note has somewhat lost its main selling point, which suggests there might not be any more of them, and that if there are, the range's days are probably at least numbered. We'd also expect the Samsung Galaxy S22 to have top-end power, probably packing the best available Snapdragon chipset in some regions including the US, and the best available Exynos 1 in others including the UK. That's typically what happens with this range. Yeah, that is it for now guys. Let me know your thought in the comment, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.